Neighbors in the area have reported hearing a single gunshot at 11 o'clock this evening. The police have already confirmed at least one victim.
What are you running from?
Where is she?
We don't know.
I want her arrested.
On what charges?
Manslaughter. If need be, impeding an investigation. I don't care at this point.
Go to a place called the Potter's House. See what you can uncover there.
Well, hello?
Hi, is Simone Berner here?
These prosecutors are keeping us guessing.
About what?
They arrested Simone Berner late last night.
I will grant her bail, but I'm setting the amount at $50,000. She will appear in court, Mrs. Evans.
If you need a place to stay, you know you can stay here. We'll make room.
But I think I'm in a lot of trouble.
If you had controlled this enthusiastic reporter from naming suspects, we wouldn't have all this chaos.
You better hope I don't find out you're lying to me, boy.
Trevor, get inside the house. Now you want to talk to me the way you was just talking to my boy?
What about the gun, Miss Berner?
I don't know. I guess I tried to.
Tell us the truth.
I'm telling you the truth.
The prosecution will offer you no murder weapon. The prosecution will offer you no motive.
Were you so desperate for drugs that night, Miss Berner, that you thought if you shot him, you'd find some cash?
Objection, yet again, Your Honor.
Failure is not a person. It's an event.